To stand comfortably for a long time, maintain a good upright posture to keep your back and shoulders from getting sore. If you find yourself slouching, hold your hands behind your back to help your spine stay straight. Bend your knees a little as well, since locking your knees is bad for your circulation and can make you lightheaded. If you get sore, shift your weight back and forth from one leg to another to give each leg a break. Jog in place or perform a few jumping jacks occasionally to keep your blood flowing. You should also stretch periodically. You can lift each leg up to your backside to stretch your thighs and calves. Do some shoulder rolls and pull your arms behind or across your chest to stay loose. If you know you're going to be standing for a long time, prepare by wearing your comfiest shoes. You can also wear compression stockings or ergonomic insoles if you tend to get sore feet while you stand.